friends and hi viewers, it's Andy, and for today's video, I'll be showing you what's inside my makeup bag. So this bag was given to me by my auntie, si Auntie Belle. She gave this to me as a gift many years ago, Pasko yata nung time na yun. And I really like this pouch because it's very spacious and you can fit a lot of things in it. So first, I have my Clear Smooth All-in-One Foundation. Medyo luma na siya kasi kung pwede namang, kung hindi pa naman sira yung lalagyan, bumibili na lang ako ng refill para syempre mas makakatipid tayo. Tsaka kung okay pa naman siya, diba? Bakit pa ako bibili ng bago? And then, I have my lip balm from Nivea, Peach Shine. Medyo may lasa siya ng konti and malambot siya sa lips. I also have my eye pencils from Nichido, 2 of each. Ito, extra tong dalawa. Kasama lang siya sa bag pero iiwan ko rin to. Hindi ko siya dadaling lagi, extra lang siya. Ito yung waterproof na eye pencil. And then yung ano nila, Girls Night Out Gorgeous Eye Pencil. Then I have lipsticks. I actually have 2. So yung isa is from Maybelline Touch of Spice. Ito yung very simple lang na kulay. I also have a red lipstick from Shiseido. Ito yung 552 Velvet Rope. Ito siya. Minsan ko lang ginagamit tong red na lipstick. Kasi most of the time, gusto ko yung neutral or parang hindi masyadong flashy yung kulay. And then I also have my shimmering eye cream color. This one is also from Shiseido. It looks very natural. Tapos simple lang rin siya. Yung color niya ay brown. Medyo may konting shimmer siya. So, itong Shiseido shimmering cream eye color ay bumabagay dito sa eye pencil ng Nichido. And then I have my mascara from Nichido. So, eyelash defining mascara. And then I have my blush on from Generation Happy Skin. Actually, to be honest, mas nagustuhan ko yung maganda naman siya, no? Pero mas nagustuhan ko yung 𝗕𝗵𝗶𝘁𝗵 na lip and cheek din. So, after I finish this one, I might go back to using 𝗕𝗵𝗶𝘁𝗵. Tapos, liquid foundation from Maybelline. Ito yung FitMe foundation. Ang shade ko is 220 para sa mga hindi maitim, hindi maputi. Ito yung magandang shade. And then, I also have my concealer from Maybelline. Pero dahil wala na yung sticker, hindi ko na alam kung anong shade siya. I have another lipstick. This was given to me by my cousin. Ito yung MAC Velvet Rope. So, galing to kay Ate Clarice. And meron akong OTG. OTG ba yung tawag dito? This one is so useful. I can watch movies on my phone. If I have to do work on my phone or edit anything, I can easily do it with this one. And then, meron pa akong isang flash drive para I have multiple copies of my important files. And then, I have this Wallet Ninja. So, ito ay bigay ng cousin ko, si Kuya 𝗕𝗿𝗄𝗿. I don't know if he's watching right now, but if he's watching, thank you, Kuya. This is very useful. So, all-in-one siya. Meron siyang letter opener, box opener, inch ruler, screwdriver, peeler, cellphone stand, can opener. Maganda siya. Kasyang-kasya siya sa wallet or sa pouch. You can just put it in your pocket also if you like. Wallet Ninja. Tapos, meron akong pouch kung saan nilalagay ko yung aking hairband. I got this one from Broadway Gems kasi I was looking for a hairband na yung hindi dudulas kapag sinuot mo. Kasi itong suot ko ngayon, dumudulas yan. Actually, nafe-feel ko dumudulas siyang konti. But this one, it stays in your hair. Even if dito mo pa sa gitna ilagay, hindi siya dudulas talaga. So, I really like this one. And it's in the color purple, which is my favorite color. Tapos, I just have kung ano man yung specific na tawag sa ganitong klase ng clip. And choker. Pag naka-plain black shirt ako, yan. Choker lang. That's it. So, yun. Ayun yung laman ng makeup bag ko at the moment. And if you feel like sharing what's inside your makeup bag, please do so. I'm also interested to know. And ayun, when it comes to choosing makeup, hindi naman ako makeup expert po, no? Pero I prefer using brands that are affordable, pero maganda yung effect. And sometimes I also buy expensive makeup, but most of the time, gusto ko talaga yung reasonable yung price and maganda yung quality. So this is my makeup bag. I don't always get to use everything that's inside this bag kasi minsan pag tinatamad ka, mag-powder foundation ka na lang, tapos lip tint, tapos okay na. Minsan naman, gusto mo magkilay lang, mag-lipstick, tapos okay na, diba? So, it really depends. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, this is Andy, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!